Hi guys, DK here. Today I'm going to be taking you through a new menu layout component for DKUI. This is the new Accordion Menu. So where this is handy is if we've got a menu system where we have controls that can be grouped for a particular particular action. Say in this particular, or in this definition, we have controls for our sphere. So we have the diameter. We have different colors we can change. Yep. And so we have these 4 controls which are dedicated to the sphere, and then we have 4 controls here which are dedicated to the box, including the color that it is. So it would make sense with these for these controls to be available or grouped together and be able to open and close them if we or make them visible or invisible as we want to actually move our way down this menu. So I've dropped this DK Accordion menu onto my canvas here, and now I'm going to start populating it. So let me grab some panels, and we're going to call this this is the sphere controls, and we can plug that into our name, and then we need an icon to open. So this will make a little bit more sense once this is fully populated. We need an icon for closing our accordion menu. I need another panel. So this is our value. And we're going to connect up our 2 labels here. And that is our control populated. I'm just going to pipe that into this merge component, and we'll see that we have here the sphere control. We have it will change between a plus and a minus. So, and we'll have that value will come out of here, out of our value. So I can then grab a stream filter component, and if we call this our gate, we can grab these 4 controls here are all of our sphere controls. We can put that into the 1, and we can plug that into our merge component. Now what will happen here is we can hide and open those controls as we need them. And I have, in fact, down here I've already set up the box controls with the same setup. So I'm just going to plug that into this merge component, and now we have a much tidier workspace. So these are the 4 controls for our box, which are all available when we click on the plus, and then they'll disappear when we click on the minus. And of course these are all of our sphere controls, which are all available when we click on its control. So yeah, very simple way of tidying up your workspace. And there is just one other thing that we can do with this, because DKUI actually supports Unicode characters. We can actually support emojis. So this is Emojipedia, and if we look here, we could get, there is an up arrow. I can just copy the code from there, And if I come in here, we can make the up arrow. I can just paste that in, and then I can do exactly the same thing. Go back and need a down arrow. Again, we can copy that emoji and paste that into here. And then we now have a nicer icon. So any valid emoji can be used within, actually can be used within a lot of a big sphere of the DKUI controls. But we can actually take those same. We can take those same two and we can bring them down here. We can plug those into our labels. I can delete these off. So now we have those. Yeah, we have those emojis as our little pull downs and pull ups, or to open and close these accordion menus. As always, guys, if you've found this video useful, or you are using DKUI in your own workflow, and finding that useful for creating these high quality user interfaces for Grasshopper, you can always just grab this icon and drop it onto your canvas. That will of course open this PayPal link, where you are more than welcome to tell me how much DKUI is worth to you and your workflow. All donations are very gratefully received, and certainly go a long way to keep my motivation up, to keep improving this platform and producing these videos. If you have any questions about this new control or anything else to do with DKUI, you are more than welcome to place a comment below this video, or you can track me down on the McNeels Discourse. I am known on there as Kiteboard Shaper. Thank you very much.